Yes, sinasabi natin God is holy. We sing, holy is the Lord. We sing holiness to the Lord na binibigyan natin siya ng praises of holiness. Pero minsan hindi natin nalalaman kung hanggang saan o ano yung epekto ng holiness ni Lord para sa ating buhay. Sabi nga, only God is holy. Siya lang po yung nag-iisang holy. Sabi nga sa Revelations 15 verse 4, sabi nga, who shall not fear you? Sige, atilay ka. Who shall not fear you, O Lord, and glorify your name? For you alone are holy, for all nations shall come and worship before you, for your judgment have been. So si Lord po, siya lang po yung independently holy. Siya lang po yung nag-iisa